Vermont Tool Company. Name brand tools with a warranty. Your premium automotive supplier. Helping others worldwide receive tools.
How's it going, everybody? Vermont Tool Company. We got a CTA tool. These are the ball joint hammer nut kit, part number 7395, and these are actually made in Taiwan, so you know that they're going to be a good quality product for you guys. So they have the M12 by 1.25 and another M12 by 1.25, but you see these numbers up at the top, and it goes by 02 and by 01. So I believe one is just a little bit bigger for the inside diameter up here at the top, but both are at the same size on the bottom here. So that was the difference between the 1.25, the M12 by 1.25, and then you'd have your M16 by 1.25 and your M14 by 1.25. So this is your ball joint hammer nut kit from CTA Tools, part number 7395, made in Taiwan, and can be purchased on VermontToolCompany.com.